Welcome to Auto's Time. Today, we're diving into a legend of the BMW M6. This high-performance Grand Tourer has always been the perfect fusion of luxury, speed, and aggressive styling. It's the kind of car that turns heads on the street and dominates the highway with raw power. If you're a fan of BMW's M division, you know the M6 is something special. And today, we're going to explore why it remains one of the most sought-after performance coupes and convertibles ever built. The BMW M6 has always been about power, and under the hood, it delivers in full force. The last generation model featured a monstrous 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, pushing out an incredible 600 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque. This beastly engine was paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, or for true driving enthusiasts, a 6-speed manual option. The result, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury coupes of its era. BMW's M-tuned suspension and precision engineering ensured that the M6 wasn't just fast in a straight line but also razor-sharp through corners. But the M6 isn't just about sheer performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that combines sportiness with top-tier luxury. High-quality leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and a driver-focused cockpit create an environment that feels both sophisticated and aggressive. The large infotainment display, powered by BMW's iDrive system, offers seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Add in premium features like a Bang & Olufsen sound system, customizable ambient lighting, and heated and ventilated seats, and you have a cabin that's built for both comfort and high-speed cruising. One of the standout features of the M6 is its adaptability. With multiple driving modes, you can tailor the experience to suit your mood. Want a smooth and relaxed drive? Switch to comfort mode, and the M6 behaves like a refined luxury car. But when you're ready to unleash its full potential, Sport and Sport Plus modes sharpen the throttle response, tighten the suspension, and amplify the exhaust note for an adrenaline-pumping experience. On the outside, the M6 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its aggressive stance, sculpted lines, and signature M-styling cues make it instantly recognizable. The large kidney grille, wide fenders, and quad exhaust tips all hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. Optional carbon fiber elements, like the roof and side mirrors, not only enhance the sporty look but also reduce weight for better performance. Whether you choose the coupe or the convertible, the M6 exudes confidence and dominance on the road. BMW didn't just build the M6 for straight-line speed, it's also engineered for precision handling. With an adaptive M suspension, an active limited-slip differential, and a high-performance braking system, the M6 remains planted even when pushed to the limit. The rear-wheel drive setup provides that classic BMW driving experience, while the advanced chassis tuning ensures maximum grip and control in every situation. Despite its hardcore performance, the M6 is still a practical Grand Tourer. It offers enough space for 4 passengers, a decently sized trunk, and all the advanced driver assistance features you'd expect in a high-end BMW. From adaptive cruise control to lane departure warning, the M6 blends cutting-edge technology with its high-performance DNA. Sadly, BMW discontinued the M6, replacing it with the M8, which carries on the legacy of high-powered Grand Touring. But for true enthusiasts, the M6 remains a legend, a car that perfectly balanced luxury, power, and driving dynamics. So, what do you think? Does the M6 still hold a special place in your heart, or would you go for its successor, the M8? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto's Time for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.